Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are well. Today we are going to do an activity, animals and their sounds, in our Oxford Modern English Reader, page number 16 and 17. The purpose of this activity is to introduce children with some animals and their sounds. Through this activity, the children learn the names of animals and become familiar with their sounds. This activity helps in their speech and language development. It expands their vocabulary and they associate specific animals with particular sounds. Now students, we see some animals and their sounds. Do you know which animal is this? Yes, it is a cow and its sounds is
moo, moo, moo.
Very good. Our next animal is a dog and its sound is
Woof, woof, woof.
good. Now move to the next animal. It is a tiger and it makes a sound grrr, grrr. Yes. Our next animal is donkey and it makes a sound
Hee haw, hee haw, hee haw.
Wow, it is a cat and most of us familiar with the sound of a cat. It makes a sound
Meow, meow, meow.
yes, what a cute cat. Our next animal is a frog and it makes a sound
Croak, croak, croak.
well done. The next animal is a rat and its sound is
Squeak, squeak, squeak.
now move to the next animal, which is a goat and its sound is bear, bear, bear. The next bird is not an animal, it is a bird, which is a crow and its sound is
Caw, caw, caw.
our last animal is a snake and its sound is so dear students, we have learned so many animals' name and their sounds. Now you have to practice and learn the sounds of these animals and complete your activity page number 17, in which you have to color the pictures of these animals and practice the sounds of these animals at home. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.